Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make garlic pickle in Kashmir, only way. Peel and sun-dry garlic cloves until fully dry to touch immediately after that. Heat oil and temper mustard seeds, fennel and asafoetida, then mix in Kashmiri chili and salt. Toss dried garlic in the spiced oil and pack tightly into sterilized jars. Store in a cool place and wait 1 to 2 weeks before tasting for full flavor. Start by peeling 2 cups of garlic and laying cloves on a tray to sun-dry until no moisture remains. Prepare spices by measuring 2 tablespoons Kashmiri chili and 1/4 cup rock salt, plus 1 tablespoon mustard seeds. Heat 1 cup oil and temper the seeds, then stir in chili, asafoetida, and fennel powder. Combine the dried garlic with the hot spiced oil, pack into sterilized jars, and seal when cool for aging. Heat 1 cup oil until shimmering, add 1 tablespoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon fennel seeds to temper, then mix in 2 tablespoons Kashmiri chili and a pinch of asafoetida. Pour this hot, spiced oil over the dried garlic so each clove is coated, then stir gently to distribute flavors. Pack the garlic tightly into sterilized jars, leaving about 1 centimeter headspace, wipe rims clean, and seal with lids after cooling to room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.